Welcome to Unfiltered with Stars, a show where we get to interview stars and get to know more about their unfiltered lives and experiences. I'm your host Sunetra Ishwaran, and we are on to filming our today's episode for hashtag Unfiltered with Stars with winners of season 5 of Face of Mumbai. Today's show is filmed at the wonderful venue Bahana at CBD Belapur. Thank you so much, Gordon, for having us here. It's also directed and conceptualized by Lakshmi Sona Suchin and is in association with Face of Mumbai. It's also been filmed and all the behind the scenes has been taken care by Amir and Samin. So please join us on today's episode of hashtag Unfiltered with Stars, where we get to know more about season 5 winners of the Miss category of Face of Mumbai. First up, I would like to call upon Miss Riya Jha, who's the winner of Miss Face of Mumbai 2023. She's done her MBBS and is currently preparing for a master's degree, which is honestly so admirable. Next up, we have Miss Anushka Raspaile, the first runner-up of Miss Face of Mumbai 2023. And last but not the least, we have Miss Samiksha Khopre, who's the second runner-up of Miss Face of Mumbai 2023. Welcome to hashtag Unfiltered with Stars. I'm sure you all are aware of our little ritual that we have on this show. So we basically throw the sign hashtag and then we go Unfiltered with Stars. So can we all do it together? Alright, so let's go. Hashtag Unfiltered with Stars. Alright, and with that we'd like to start our new episode of Unfiltered with Stars. It's so nice to have you all here, and now that you've made yourselves comfortable, let's put your crowns and your sashes to rest. So girls, I would like to start off the show by asking, what has your experience of Face of Mumbai season 5 been like? First of all, huge congratulations once again for being the winners of season 5, and I'm sure you must have had an incredible journey so far. So what has that been like? I would like to start with our first our winner, Miss Riya Jha.
So hello everybody. I would say you are looking very pretty. And for me, honestly, Face of Mumbai wasn't a very planned thing. It was very sudden. I met Sona ma'am in a party. I wasn't sure about it, to be very honest. Then I was very free that time, and eventually I decided to participate in that and went for audition. I gave audition. I did push up for your audition. That was like a very new thing for me also. So basically, I'm I come from a very serious background, a doctor's background, and I am more into bodybuilding. So for me, doing a very early thing was a very new thing for me.
Yeah.
But I decided to participate into that, and again.
No, it's fine. Keep going.
Into that, and to take out something new in me. So I
Yeah.
would say Face of Mumbai is not a pageant show for me. It's basically a personality building show for me. So through that I got my confidence, my personality, wherever I'm today is all because of Face
Right.
of Mumbai. Yeah.
Wow.
So during Face of Mumbai journey, we went through a lot, like photo shoot, trials, and we had like 3 days grooming days.
Grooming, yeah.
Yeah, that was so hectic. We met so many new people,
Yeah.
mentors. They taught us about like how we should speak, how we should walk, how we should dress up. So it's all a package that we get from Face of Mumbai. So for me, it was I would say a very nice and big investment for me, for my personality,
Right.
for my development. Yeah. So I would suggest everybody to participate in such pageant. It's not about money.
Yeah.
It's not about what are you going to achieve. It's about what are you going to get out.
Gain out of it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So yeah.
And I'm sure what you got out of it is
I got everything.
way better than
Yeah.
So I'm sure the other girls can also relate to this. Anushka, what about you? What was your experience like?
Yeah, so hello again, you're looking wonderful.
Thank you.
But it's like quite contrary to Ria, because I think I have always been interested into pageants. You can see all my YouTube videos my history is all about pageants, top 5 question and answers about Miss India, Miss World,
Wow.
and also some chat shows. So I think this is my manifestation that's becoming true. I heard about Face of Mumbai from a friend, and I just wanted to go for it because I've heard a lot about it, and I think the reputation that it holds in a city, in Mumbai,
Yeah.
I think it's phenomenal, and being a part of it is itself that I'm really grateful about. And yeah, so I went with the normal auditions. I was like, you know what, Anushka, you just need to go and you just need to be yourself, because you've seen this a lot in your childhood. So yeah, and
It's time to live it now.
it's time to live it,
Yeah.
and I'm legit living my dream right now.
That's amazing.
Yeah, so yeah, I came to the Face of Mumbai family, and I would really like to thank Sona ma'am firstly. I think I'm really grateful for her, and we have Kal sir, and we have Tanvi ma'am who has guided. So yes, agreeing to what Ria said, this is a complete package that it's a personality building.
Yeah.
If you are coming here, your confidence is built, and it's just because who you are, like how you are. It's just embracing who you are.
Yeah.
I think this is one of the amazing things that Face of Mumbai embraces, that just be yourself and just be the beautiful version of you.
That's amazing.
I'm really grateful for that.
I'm so happy for you. What about you, Samiksha? What was your experience like?
So for me, Face of Mumbai was the whole turn of my life.
Yeah.
Because starting from my childhood, I wanted to become a model. So I started from my agency type thing.
Oh.
Then I met Mohini.
Okay.
So she was the previous year
Winner,
So
yes.
I asked her like, how was your experience? And she said that it was really very nice. It gave her the confidence. I was like looking out for it. I inquired about it. So I went, and I was very, very nervous before. But the moment I entered the audition hall,
Yeah.
I met Sona ma'am. She just came, can you just go there?
Yeah.
Let's go there. I'm like, okay. She's very nice, very kind. And
Made easier for you.
yeah, it made it easier for
Yeah.
me to go there, stand and give my audition, which went really good. And talking about the grooming days, it was of 3 days. We had various different mentors like Tanvi ma'am, Kal sir, Sona ma'am was there, and even you came there.
Yes, I
So
did.
it was really very good for me. And on the final day, I was very nervous. But looking at those skirt, I just told myself that this is your day.
Yeah.
That's your crown waiting for you. Just go there and be yourself. And I did the same, which made me the runner-up of
Yes, you did get what you were eyeing on. That's amazing. So these are our winners of season 5, Face of Mumbai. Once again, I'm so happy for the journey that you've had so far. Season 6 is coming up.
Yeah.
Are you all looking forward to it?
Yeah, very
Are you all excited to meet your successors and hand them down the crown? So if there's like a piece of advice or something that you would like to share with your potential successors who are going to get the crown, what would that be? Let's start with Samiksha. I feel like you have a piece of advice ready.
So I would just want to tell my successor that be yourself. It's for you. Be it in your destiny. Just believe in yourself. Go there. Do whatever you're doing. Do it with confidence and just believe in yourself and do it.
That's great. What about Anushka?
I think this pageant is personality development pageant. So
Yeah.
if you're very nervous or you're very intimate. I mean, you don't believe in beauty and you just believe that I have confidence. So
Yeah.
I think confidence is the beauty over here. So if you have confidence, if you believe in yourself, so you shouldn't be insecure about beauty. And this is all that platform.
Right.
So yeah, I think I'll tell my successor that you need to believe in yourself in a way and just embrace confidence.
Right.
And also your imperfection.
Yes, that's lovely. What about you, Ria?
And I would say this is not an easy job. You have to work hard for
Yeah.
it. I did, and if you want the crown, you have to work for it.
That is true, and the three of you have done a great job at it. Speaking of season 6, we have auditions coming up really soon. So if your friends or anyone who's watching would be interested to sign up, the link is going to be in the bio, and you can also get in touch through our social media. Unfiltered with Stars page is also on Instagram, or you can get in touch with us directly on our Face of Mumbai page on Instagram, Facebook, and our contact numbers will be in the bio as well. So thank you so much, girls. That was great knowing about your experience of what Face of Mumbai was like. Now let's dive deeper and get in some fun involved in this segment. All right? Okay, so we are going to start a fun segment, our game segment that we start with, and it's going to be what's in my bag. Now they say that a woman's bag is a very interesting place. You find like the most bizarre of things. So we would like to know as to what's in your bags. Shall we start with Miss Ria?
Sure.
What's in your bag?
So, first of all, this is very special to me because I gifted this to my mom and she
sweet.
didn't like it.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so I'm using it now.
That's a very sweet story.
Yeah. So, major thing, I have sanitizer.
Yes,
Because I'm a doctor and OCD hits like
I know.
anytime.
Very important.
Very important. And another thing is, it's very important for me. I'm obsessed with it.
What is
My lipsticks, lip gloss, lip oil, everything.
wow.
Yeah. Something I would carry to every place. When I study, I carry one.
Carry
lip balm with me.
just for motivation.
Yeah. To
On
do
your
good
lips.
also all
Yeah,
the time.
I know.
Yeah. It's necessary.
Yeah.
And very important again.
Mint.
Sugar-free mint.
Sugar-free mint.
Yeah.
The emphasis on
Yeah.
sugar-free.
Yeah.
The doctor in you is speaking.
Yeah, it's coming out.
Yeah.
And I have my favorite perfume from Bulli.
That's so pretty.
Yeah, it's cute also.
It's so pretty. It's the perfect size.
Yeah, I fit it into bag and it's very easy to carry also. And I have one more thing. That's my hand cream.
Ah.
Very important.
Yes.
Very essential.
That is true.
Yeah.
To have nice
That's
soft
all I
hands
think
at
I
all
have right
times.
now. And yeah, last thing, sunglasses.
Sunglasses, another
Cash.
essential. And some cash,
Yeah.
always handy. Yeah.
Yeah, I think
That's great. These are like good essentials that you have.
very important for her.
Yes. Also, that's a really nice bag you chose for your mother.
Yeah,
That's very pretty.
She didn't like the color.
Oh, she didn't like the color, but it worked in your favor.
Yeah.
So it's great. All right. Thank you, Ria. That was really nice. What about you, Anushka? What's in your bag?
So firstly, this is a special bag to me also, my Atya. So she gifted me from London and I really miss her.
Oh, that's so sweet.
Firstly, I have my wallet. I carry my wallet all the time. Money and I have some cards.
Right.
I have to take myself with. Next I have earphones.
Also an essential.
Also essential because I don't like to listen to people's shit.
Okay.
It's a must to carry it
Yeah.
everyone.
I can relate to that.
Yeah. I don't know, I have this weird habit of carrying pair of earrings.
Extra pair of earrings.
Because
Yeah.
I lose all my earrings and all the mini stuff. I lose it every time.
Yeah.
So I like to carry those
Extras.
So
Yeah.
And this is all I have with certain rubber bands. Makeup essentials, lipsticks, lip gloss. I think you'll have to carry it all the time.
Yeah.
And with a compact. I don't know, I have this Spada also.
Oh.
Was in Kolhapur. And this is very loose, but I still carry it with myself quickly. I like it.
That's like that's special to you.
That's special.
Yeah, that's something interesting.
Yeah. Kind of devoted.
That's nice. Yeah. So it's like a piece of protection that you have it.
Seriously.
That's really nice. That was interesting. I don't have. I'm going to keep a kada as well in my. What about you, Samiksha? What's in your bag?
Well, this bag is gifted to me by myself.
Oh, that's nice. Those are the best kind of gifts when you
Yes.
give something to yourself or your mother, for that matter.
So firstly, I have my wallet,
Yes.
cash, sunscreen,
Another essential.
without
Yes.
this. Thirdly, I have my AirPods.
Again, to
Yeah.
make sure that you don't listen to other people's bullshit.
I carry this diary which has a diagram of my runways.
Oh.
Wherever I go, I just go through this runways. Like, कहाँ पे head ramp होता है, कहाँ पे क्या होता है. I even write my choreographies in it, like wherever I go for the shows.
Oh, wow.
So I have this thing in my bag.
So you're very thorough.
for sure.
You're very thorough.
Nextly, I have this lip balm, my cute little lip balm. I applied.
Yes.
And last and the best thing I have always with me wherever I go, this is my rosary.
That's another special
I keep this
thing.
everywhere. Like I can't go out of my house
Without your rosary.
That's all I have in my
That's
bag.
really sweet. I think what makes all of these things so special is that when you have that one piece of essential or a belonging that has a special value just yourself and the other person doesn't know that. So that's really nice. Thank you so much for showing us what's inside your bags. I know it's very personal, but it's a lot of fun. We got to know what's inside their bags. So thank you so much, girls. That was it for our What's in Our Bag segment. And now we are on to our next fun segment. Any guesses? Any guesses? It's a fun game. It's a really fun game. We'll need placards for that. So we'll catch you in the next segment. Okay, before we get into our next fun segment that we have lined up, we have a few tidbits about your lives that we'd like to unravel. Any idea as to? Turns out you all have very fun stories about your lives. Let's start with Ria.
Okay.
So you should be after this story comes out. So apart from being an MBBS doctor and you're like prepping for your masters, we hear that you would sneak out of your house as a kid. Yeah, we hear that your parents were really strict and you would which is such a great thing to do when your parents are strict, like sneak out of the house. And also this one time your mom decided to sort of punish you for sneaking out, and she gave you a cooking assignment. No, she asked you kuch khana bana le or something, and then turns out you blew up the whole stove. So what were you trying to cook in the kitchen? What was this? Do you remember this story?
Yeah.
Your sister takes a lot of pride in this story. What was it? What were you trying to make?
One day we went out to a friend's house, and me and my sister we came back around 9 or 10 at night, and my mother was very upset. And I used to sneak out a lot. Like around 9, I used to come back all the time, and my father was like, "I will beat you today" or something. He got he used to get so angry about it. And one day my mother gave me this punishment to cook something for her. Like around 9, she was sleeping, and I went into the kitchen. I said, okay, I'll cook. Kya hai? It's not a big deal. So I was cooking dal.
Wow.
And it was cooking well. It was going well. And then I put tadka into it. I don't know how to put it, how to do it. So I did. My mother told me to do it, put inside it some tadka, I don't know, jeera or something, put inside it. And then pure cooker it got fire. I don't know what was that. So yeah, that was a little incident and punishment. Whole kitchen.
But the big question is, माँ ने दाल खाया या नहीं खाया?
माँ ने दाल खाया ही नहीं, वो जल गया.
Oh, जली हुई दाल.
जली हुई दाल.
But I'm sure उसके बाद she must have never given you this punishment.
She gave me again. She told me to join cooking classes. So I did cooking classes. I did ice cream making classes, cake baking classes. I don't know what not. Everything I've done. Yeah, sanskari bahu ke lakshan.
Okay, now we have a very interesting tidbit about Anushka. Do you have any idea as to what it is? We have a special prop that we would like to request someone to bring into the frame.
What is it?
You just guess what it is. Turns out you have very special memories attached to it from your childhood.
Oh my god.
Yeah, so your parents tell us
This is
that
crazy.
you were obsessed with bangles.
What?
So why don't you wear them while we have this conversation? Yeah, keep wearing them. We have different colored wale bangles.
You won't believe that, but when I was like very small, I used to take my mom's palloos and
Saris.
I
Yeah.
drape it into a sari, and I'll carry these bangles in school, and my mom doesn't know about I'm carrying these bangles in school. And every day my teacher used to say, "What is this?" And she'll take these bangles, and then I don't know.
So why don't you make your bridal dreams come true by wearing these bangles right now?
Wow.
You've clearly found the matching ones for your outfit. I think it's time you should wear them.
Yeah,
Should be happy.
I think
Yeah.
you should.
Yeah.
Really?
You have bridesmaids also for this. How perfect. You have two of your fellow winners who are going to
Plaza, be careful. Oh, literally.
Wow, I'm having I think I'm having a red attire.
Yeah.
Like how the
Yeah,
ambulance-
I know exactly. You're living your pageantry dreams as well as your wedding dreams today.
Wow.
The kind of things that happen at #unfiltered with stars.
I think this is the craziest thing.
Amazing.
Holy Julia.
So now about Samiksha, we hear that you used to bunk college quite a lot. This is what your family would say. Is that true?
Yeah.
What is the reason? आप क्या करते थे bunk करके college?
पहली बात तो मेरे को I not wanted to take science as my field.
Yeah.
I always have my interest in pageants and modeling. लेकिन मेरे घर वालों ने मुझे डाल दिया science में, that too into a convent college.
Oh.
So they have very strict rules like time पे आने का, time पे जाने का. And my dad used to leave me gate के सामने.
Oh.
So I was like very fed up of this thing, you know. I used to see my friend वो गाड़ी वाड़ी लेके आने की, and I'm like okay. So one day I told my dad कि यहाँ पे allowed नहीं अभी car parking, you have to take a U-turn and go. So I waited, I just looked back, he went, और वहाँ से मैंने turn मार के सीधा I went to Pune. वहाँ पे शनिवार वाड़ा करके है. I went there with my friends. First bunk okay of my college. I went there, I had fun. तो वो आदत लग गई.
Okay, speaking of places, what is this thing about you being from Koparkene? Or the some inside joke that you have with Sona ma'am?
Sona ma'am, it was like a grooming day and I was very serious about Carl sir ki question and answer thing. So I was very seriously writing something. Sona ma'am came from there and she's like, "Arey, Samiksha, Kopre, right? Are you from Koparkene?" I'm like, "Ma'am, I'm from who?" I just and Sona ma'am started laughing.
And she's still laughing.
Still
behind the
She
bar.
still laughs. You know, there were like 20 to 30 people in the
Yeah,
room.
they were also
all
laughing.
started laughing
Yeah.
and looking at me. Are you from Koparkene? I'm like, no, bro, I'm from Pune.
But are you sure you're not from Koparkene?
I'm not from Koparkene.
So you're from Pune.
Pune.
Okay, now we've cleared that up, Sona ma'am.
Sona ma'am, please.
I think she's also saved your name as
Samiksha
Koparkene.
yes.
Yeah.
It's Samiksha Kopre, guys.
Now that we have it cleared, let's move on to our next fun segment. So now it's time for the most fun segment that we have lined up, which is Never Have I Ever. So we have a few interesting questions lined
Okay,
up.
but why only us? I think you always play with the guest. I think you should play with us also.
Yes.
So you want me to play the game with you? Yeah, actually I don't mind it. Can we have a placard for me as well? Oh, this is a placard. Okay. So basically, the game has pretty simple rules, right? If I have, I say I have, the other side. And if I haven't, I say never. Alright. So let's start with the questions. My first question is, never have I ever crashed a wedding or a party. We're all very shamelessly proud. We have crashed a party and a wedding. Okay, never have I ever pretended to be a superstar in front of the mirror in my room.
All the time.
all the time. So who do you all pretend to be as? Like, is there a particular person that you pretend to be?
Only me.
Only you?
Kendall Jenner.
Oh, Kendall Jenner.
Yeah.
Okay. I'm not giving up mine.
We are the superstar. Right?
Yeah.
Like, I'm the superstar. How dare you?
Oh wow,
Yeah,
that's
that's
amazing. Like a poo vibe.
Like a poo.
How
Yeah.
nice. Oh
Yeah.
wow. Okay. Never have I ever stalked a celebrity. Like in person.
Like
In person.
Celebrity?
Yeah.
When I say crush.
Yeah. If that's a celebrity in your life. I don't think I have. No, never. Okay. Never have I ever sneaked out of my own home. Yeah, I think, Riya and Samiksha just. Oh, y'all are never?
Never. Why would we do that?
Sneaked out of your own house? You haven't?
Can't.
Wow. Never have I ever pranked someone. What is the best prank you've done?
It's not the best.
Not the best.
Achha, at least some fun you must have had, right? What was the prank like? Just like a chota mota prank or like a big, elaborate, planned out prank?
No.
No?
I don't work
I have been
much.
pranked.
You have been pranked. What did they do?
Let's not talk about
Okay. Okay. Never have I ever gone on a date and regretted it.
Oh God.
और 2-3 placards मिलेंगे मुझे Okay. Never.
Never. You don't go on dates.
She's straight up aiming for Bole Chudiya moment. That's her.
Right.
Okay. Never have I ever gone on a solo trip. Travel solo. Never?
Never.
Okay. Okay, you all should.
Okay.
Never have I ever lied about studying with friends and then ended up not studying at all. All of us have. All of us have. Even you have.
Yeah. Every time nobody can study with friends.
Yeah, exactly. That's such a bad excuse to give. Never have I ever created a fake social media account. I have. Oh, you never? How did you resist yourself from
I don't
making...
stalk people, like, not at all.
Achha, but you don't stalk them from your account also?
Yeah. From
Your account you
Yeah.
do? But not from like the other
I
person's
don't
account?
like stalk completely.
Okay. No, I have. My placard hasn't flipped in a while. Okay. Never have I ever drunk texted an ex.
Never. I don't drink. What is that?
Oh, you don't drink? Oh, okay. Even I don't drink actually. I don't know what is alcohol. I've
What is
never heard of
alcohol?
it. Yeah. Anyway, thank you so much, girls. That was it for Never Have I Ever. And we are going to move on to our next round.
Okay.
For our last segment, we have a really I think it's going to be quite a surprise because we have a few images of yours from different parts of your lives, okay? And I'm pretty sure कि ये images आप लोगों ने शायद देखा नहीं होगा. So brace yourselves. First off, we'll go with Riya.
Oh God.
Riya, we have a very, very sweet special image of you. I think this must be one of your first images. How old were you here?
Cute. 1 year.
1 year.
This is my first professional photo.
And what are you? Your first photo shoot,
Yeah.
huh? You started very early. What is this? Can you tell us about the outfit that you're wearing? What is
I
this
have no
outfit?
idea. I don't remember. I know that I am 1 year old in this picture, and my mom took me to some studio to take photo. I'm crying, obviously.
Yeah. But you started really young.
Yeah.
So that's amazing.
Born model.
Yeah, we have another group picture of yours,
Oh God.
and you really have to help us out as to who is who, huh? So I'm
guess,
guessing,
you guess.
I'm guessing the one in, the one who's like the tallest, like the one in black.
Which
The second one over here.
Yeah, correct.
That's you?
Yeah. So I was very tomboyish. So this is my father's teacher's house.
Oh.
So this is in Kerala. We went to meet my father's teachers, friends, and over there my father did his education from Peradampi.
Okay.
My dada was in army.
Yeah.
So he was posted there.
Okay.
And this is me, and that's my sister, and this white shirt is my father.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
That's nice. That's a
Yeah.
nice image. We have another photo which I'm guessing is with your father.
Yeah, yes. This is also a birthday picture. So there is this the way we celebrate our birthdays, like we get ready, everybody, and then we call our relatives to the house. We do dinner, photo shoot. Again, this is photo shoot.
That's so
And
sweet.
Yeah. So again, this is a birthday picture.
So you've been having photo shoots since you were
Yeah.
a kid.
Yeah.
Wow, that's amazing.
Yeah.
We have another special group picture.
Oh God, this is cute.
But this one I can't tell which one is you. Are you even in the picture?
Yeah.
Who are you?
This one,
Yes.
first one.
Yes, yes.
I guess this one.
No, second one. The one who has the arms around the other two, no?
The first one.
Pink one.
Yeah. I would have never like guessed.
Yeah.
And who are these bros next
So,
to you?
so this pink girl is me.
Yeah.
And then this one in black, the girl in black, which is looking like a boy, is my sister Lisa. And that one, the second one,
Yeah.
is my brother.
Oh.
And it's, that guy in blue is my brother's friend. And this picture is from my brother's birthday party.
Oh wow.
And we only click pictures on birthdays.
Another birthday.
Another
photo.
birthday.
That was nice going down Okay. Let's start with the first image.
Okay.
Another group image, by the
Oh
way.
my god, okay.
Where's Anushka?
What is that?
Oh, the one who's throwing the pose.
Yeah, I've always been a poser. I feel.
But where are the bangles?
And only now this story anyone doesn't know this story.
Nobody knows the story.
No.
Okay.
So this is my school trip to Jodhpur, I guess. And yeah, this was my first trip to Jodhpur, and I remember my mom calling all the time, saying, "Yeah, where are you? Did you have food and stuff like that?" So,
No,
yeah.
I'm throwing a pose. I'm not doing any of those.
No, I'm not. I was very simple. That's what I was telling my mom. That mom, chill. It's all good.
That's really nice.
Cute fun. And I think there was only one of my best friend who was in contact. The other two.
Other two are not in touch. Well, then we have a really pretty picture of yours. Yeah, what look were you going for?
This was my Halloween look, and this was in lockdown. So we wanted to do Halloween, but this was lockdown.
Yeah.
Everything was online. So we made a Zoom call legit, and my friends were even worse than this.
Okay.
So yeah, I think I was
But
trying
what
to
do you-
become a vampire.
Oh.
I was obsessed with TVD at that time, The Vampire Diaries. So I was like, yeah, right?
But
So
that's a pretty good look. Is this
I
like,
made this.
that's amazing though. We have another fun picture.
Yeah.
Your
I
friends.
don't know why my people are holding my tongue like that.
Oh, that's your tongue, no?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah. This is one of my very special friends, and we name it AHA because our group name is AHA.
Is it initials of
Yes,
all of your
yes,
friends?
yes.
Okay.
And it's like AHA. No, we have a bracelet which is
Aha, on it. That's
My
amazing.
friend gave it, and these four are these three are still my best friends.
Best friends.
They've
That's so
been
sweet.
there,
Okay, we have another group photo.
Oh my god. This
Where are you? Oh, the one with glasses?
Yes, I have glasses, and this is my college first year group, that typical first year group.
Yeah.
Where hum saath saath hain. And now this group has become crazy.
That is the first and last year of Hum Saath Saath.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So this was like one final happy picture, and then the group is a mess
I mean,
and very toxic, I would say.
Well,
Are they gonna release?
we've all heard stories of how that goes down.
Yeah.
We have another fun picture.
Oh,
This
Again,
is
no bride
mehendi
moment.
hair rachne wali. Where are your bangles? Is this where also were you obsessed with shadi at this age?
Yes, completely.
You were?
I would ask my mom, कि mom please
लगवा दो मुझे मेहंदी.
Tell her
How
mom
sweet.
शादी कराई.
Yeah, exactly. She has a bindi also, and she is so proud of her mehendi. So sweet. That's really sweet. We have another picture, I think, with your mom,
Yeah.
which is so sweet.
I used to be in Hyderabad that time.
Is this your youngest? I think this is. How old were you here?
I don't know, maybe I was turning 1 and I was
Yeah, this
trying
is
to
you're quite
walk.
young here.
So I think this might be the picture where I actually started walking and my mom was like, yeah, finally.
Oh, she did it.
Yeah, she did it. She started walking. So yeah, and then her love came in that picture.
That's a really sweet picture.
I think
That's
I
really
started
nice.
walking during that time.
How nice, Anushka. Such great memories.
Yeah.
All right, on to Samiksha Kopre. Not Koper Kene. We have a very not so grumpy picture of you.
Oh,
How old were you here?
I guess I was 7-8 years old. Yeah, might be 7-8 years.
Very happy to be clicked.
God, this photo. This was like I was in Kashmir that time,
Yeah.
and all my cousins were going to the lakeside and having fun. But my mom, being a possessive mom, she was just holding my hand, like, "Don't go there, don't go
Yeah.
there." And I'm like, "Mama, जायचे तिकडे." She's like, "Don't go there." And I started crying. Sat at the corner, like, "मला कुठेच नाही यायचं." And I don't want to go anywhere with you. She just sat there and started crying. And I don't know who
She
clicked this.
photographed.
I don't know.
You got photographed. Speaking of Kashmir and Kashmir ki Kaliya, we have this Kashmir ki. Please tell me your mother did not finally convince you and then you ended up taking a
No.
picture in front of the lake.
This was like I really wanted to do this because मेरे पहले भी बहुत सारी लड़कियां went there and they were like very सुंदर
Posing.
सुंदर, yeah. So I just asked my dad कि please take me there and he just took me there and मस्त मेरे को पहनाया वगैरह. I was happy over here, very happy.
So sweet. I also want to recreate this. So look at this. What were you trying to do over here? Is this your attempt at winking at someone?
I guess so.
Did you know this picture was around?
I don't know who clicked this. We were in the boat, I guess. Same in Kashmir. We are like, वो शिकारा कहते हैं ना. So we were over there, and there was a person next to our boat. So he was like, family को बोल रहा था कि मैं यहाँ से कूद जाऊँगा, just pretending. I'm looking and मैं ऐसे कुछ तो कर रही है, पता नहीं किसने खींच दिया वापस से ये फोटो ने.
Are you sure उसी के लिए wink किया था?
पता याद नहीं मेरे को अभी वो.
अच्छा, next we have a group picture. Is this your family?
Yeah, this is my family.
Is this on a holiday?
This was like it has a story behind it. Like my atya, like dad ki mama, dad ki sister just expired, and like for a very long time we did not go anywhere because it was just a shock for us.
Yeah.
And then one day, this day was like Raksha Bandhan, so there was no one to tie Rakhi to my dad, and this is my Moti Papa, like dad's elder brother. So I just planned it. Let's go out. Like we not have that typical Raksha Bandhan. Let's literally go out, have fun. So we just went to I guess this is Pauna Dam, way to Pauna Dam.
Yeah.
So we just went there and have little bit fun. So his mother, this and this, they both are sister,
Oh, that's really
brothers. This is my very cute little family. Yeah.
That's really nice. For our last image, we have another sweet one.
Oh.
Who is this?
This is my baby, like my only best friend I have in my life. You know, she's the one, like, she has seen me like पचारिंग्स में से देखा है मुझे, like रोते हुए ये वो, like I had my very serious breakdown and then I found her in my first year. Until now, कल भी उसके साथ थी मैं, and then she made this food to me because I just cried yesterday कि मम्मा you went to Switzerland, who's making food for me, and she came, she made food, she cleaned the vessel.
That's
and
so sweet.
सुबह she just woke me and said, now you just go get ready and go to Mumbai. I'm like, काम क्या करेगी, like बर्तन वगैरह, it's like it's all done, just go get ready and go. I'm like,
So sweet.
wow.
So sweet.
She's my baby. I just love her.
What's
so
her name?
much. Her name is Rutuja. I call her Rutu.
How sweet. That's really sweet. I love how your face just lit up as soon as you spoke about her. Those were a few fun, really beautiful memories that you all shared with us. Thank you so much for that. And that was it for our photo segment at Unfiltered with Stars. So thank you so much for being with us today, and I hope you all had as much fun as we did. Once again at this wonderful venue, Bahana. If you had one Bahana that you would give to come to Bahana, what would that be?
I would say that would be Gordon, please give me more pull-up cakes. I'm coming.
That's Ria's Bahana. What's Anushka's Bahana?
I love pastas, and if you're a pasta person, I think you should really try the mac and cheese or even the spaghetti. It's amazing.
What about Samiksha?
So my bahana to come here is to have my favorite smoked hot pepper chicken. So it's like yum. Everyone should try this for sure.
Yeah.
That sounds amazing. And my Bahana to come to Bahana is literally any Bahana that I can find to come here. Thank you so much for having us at this wonderful venue. Gordon, thank you so much. And that was it for today's episode of #Unfiltered with Stars. This show is directed and conceptualized by Lakshmi Sona Suchan. And a big shout out to our camera crew, Amin and Samin. Also the wonderful venue that we are at today, Bahana at CBD Belapur. And I'm your host, Sunetra Ishwaran. Thank you so much for watching and joining us for this wonderful interview that we did with our Season 5 winners of Miss Face of Mumbai 2023. We shall catch you very soon on our next episode of #Unfiltered with Stars. And with that, we'd like to sign off. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you very soon.